now that you've got your snare and hi-hat together for the backbeat and your bass and hi-hat together for the backbeat, let's play the whole thing. We're going to do it first with our body, and then I'm going to move on to the real drum set. Join in with me. 1, 2, here we go. Kick, snare, kick, snare, kick, snare, kick, snare. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got it. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, Let's bring it a little quieter. Now remember, if it's too much, take out the snare. Or maybe leave in the snare, take out the kick. And then when you're ready, put it all together. If you're able to play that backbeat, you've come a long way. That's really hard to do, takes a lot of practice and preparation, but once you've got that, you can play with so many of your favorite songs. Now, if it's still really hard for you, try dividing it up. Go back to that preparation video and try doing just the hi-hat and the kick drum, then try doing just the hi-hat and the snare drum, and eventually you will be able to put them together. Keep on working at this stuff. It's a lot of fun. Like I said, the drums are great because you could play them anywhere using your body drum set. And hopefully we'll see you in the next lesson.